What's up, guys? It's Anthony from AB Fitness Center, and today we're going to be discussing what happens when life gets difficult and life gets in the way of your fitness. We're going to be talking about what we call the pause button mentality, and what we've noticed a lot of people have been doing is having this pause button mentality, and we're going to show you how to navigate through those difficult times. Simple fact of the matter is, and I've talked about this so many other times, fitness is not something you do for a short period of time and then stop. It literally has to become part of your life. And the goal of it is to fit fitness into your life and not your life into fitness. And what happens is people start on this journey, they start doing really good, and things come up. Schedule at work changes, maybe they move, or stress at work or stress at home, maybe a death in the family or something happens, and they get crazy overwhelmed, like, I just can't do it. I need to stop completely. And they stop going to the gym, they stop training, they stop focusing on their nutrition, they have less daily activity, they don't really focus on their goals anymore. They literally push the pause button. And we need to stop that. And I'm going to explain why today. Okay? So, first things first, starting and stopping doesn't allow you to get better over time. This is why you have to have a better outlook on your fitness when it comes to it. Like, fitness has got to be something that you do for your body, your temple, every day, no matter what. Whether that means eating good, whether that means, exercising, being active. These are the things you must do to take care of yourself. It's almost like when you're on a plane. And when you're on a plane and they go through the whole tutorial and say, if the plane goes down and the oxygen mask goes down, put your oxygen mask on first and then help others. It's the same thing. If you don't take care of your body, you're not going to be able to help everyone in your life. And as a parent, as a good employee or a business owner, your job is to really take care of everybody else. But in order to do that, you need to take care of yourself. Okay? Stopping when times get tough only make you practice quitting when things get challenging. So we don't want that. You're a winner in your life. Obviously, you're doing a lot of things in your life right, but maybe you just can't get fitness down. That's the one thing that you can't get. But you just got to apply the same mentality. I know lawyers who have a hard time with their fitness, but how many times did they want to quit law school? I'm sure almost every day. But how they got through? They persevere and they just push through. And winners find a way to win no matter what. And you need to do the same thing when it comes to your fitness. So like I said, maybe your schedule at work changes. Well, then you need a strategy to get around that. Maybe that means going to the gym before work. Maybe that means going to the gym when you get home. But fitting that fitness into your life. And maybe that means going on a day that you're completely off. You need to be able to mitigate around these things. You have to remember, something is always better than nothing. Something is always better than nothing. So let's say you're going to the gym 4 or 5 days a week and schedule changes at work, and now you can only make it 1 or 2 times a week. Well, don't think, that's it, I'm not going to make any results. No, make that time in the gym count. And that is something is always better than nothing. And that's about fitting fitness into your life. That's what it is. That's what it means. And we all go through these periods. There's never going to be a perfect time. There's never going to be a perfect time to diet. There's never going to be a perfect time to, go to the gym. You just have to do it. There's no other way around it. And something is always better than nothing. All right? I want you to focus also on the process. Your life is always going to be filled, like I just said, of things that are always going to go wrong. You have to learn to adapt to these things and fit fitness into your life. There's no other way around it. So here's how you beat that pause button mentality. The first thing everybody wants to do is just, I'm done. I can't go to the gym anymore. That's it. Overwhelmed. Can't go. Can't do it. But this is how we beat it. Even on your worst days, super stressed at work, no time, 12-hour shifts, whatever it is, try to do a little bit of something. Whether that means just eating your vegetables for the day or hitting your protein. It doesn't matter. Keep it simple, but practicing just doing a little bit will go far in the long haul. Remember, our goal for you isn't just to get in good shape today or the next 12 weeks. Our goal is for you to get in shape and stay in shape for the long term. not just for the next 12 weeks, for the long term going forward. And these are small investments that you make in yourself every day. And you have to keep making those investments every day. Very similar to brushing your teeth. You know, you brush your teeth every day no matter what, right? You have to do that no matter how stressed your day was, no matter what goes on, you got to brush your teeth. And it's the same thing with your fitness. I know what you're thinking. Yeah, but brushing your teeth takes 2 minutes. It doesn't matter. Eating good is also a choice. So instead of, I'm really stressed out, I'm going to eat ice cream. Maybe don't go for the ice cream. Go for a bowl of vegetables, or go for something else, a healthier snack, or go for a walk instead of eating. It doesn't matter as long as you're taking steps in the right direction. So when life gets difficult, here's what you should do. You should keep training. Make the time. Have it happen. Do it anyway. Even if you're super stressed, got no time, do it anyway. Make the investment in yourself because you are worth it. Okay? Work on stress management. That's number 2. Stress is always going to be there. I'll tell you, first and foremost, life never gets easier. And for those who are older than me can agree, it's only going to get harder. So work on stress management now, so this way when all these problems happen later, you're able to handle them better. The third one, focus on your nutrition. Like I said, you always have a choice with your eating. It's not like somebody, puts a weapon to your head and says, you need to eat this donut right now. No, that's a conscious choice that you're making. So you need to make conscious effort every day with it. And don't make stress and food linked. They're not linked. And the more stressed you are, the more bad you eat, the more stressed you're going to get. It's a vicious, vicious cycle. And the fourth thing, you need to practice doing just one thing at a time. Don't overthink it. Keep it simple. Like I said, maybe it's just you're super busy today, but you were able to check the box and say, okay, I still had my protein for the day. Trust me, you'll feel more accomplished and you'll be moving toward getting that body that you want and keeping and maintaining that body that you want. That's the goal. And like I say all the time, I'm not impressed by people who go hard for 12 weeks. That does not impress me. You go to the gym every day and 100% on for 12 weeks. The person that impresses me is the person that's been doing this for 3, 4, 5 years, who's gotten punched in the face by life multiple times, but is still maintaining and having and working toward that better them. That's the person that impresses me because they've been down that road of stress before and life got in the way. So that's it. So again, if you need any help with this, make sure you click that link in the description below so we can help you get to that next level. And remember, don't just watch these and do nothing. I want you to go out there, take action, and never, you hear me? Do you hear me? Never hit that pause button. I'll catch you guys on the next one.